Reno 12 Pro 5G smartphone and you are unable to power off your smartphone, then this is the video for you. So if you will long press your power button, it will open that voice assistant app instead of your power menu. There are two ways by which you can power off your smartphone. The first way is to press your power button and volume up button at the same time and it will open the power menu. But if you want to change this long pressing power button to power menu, simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of power button. Click on press and hold the power button. By default it is selected to voice assistant, but you have to select power menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will open your power menu instead of that voice assistant. So that's how you can shut down or power off your Oppo Reno 12 Pro 5G smartphone. If you like this video or this was helpful for you, then like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.